Kangaroos are one of the most iconic animals of Australia, often representing the wildlife of this unique continent. Known for their powerful hind legs, long tails, and distinctive hopping, these marsupials are a source of fascination for many. Beyond their symbolic status, kangaroos are intriguing creatures with a host of interesting characteristics and behaviors. One of the most remarkable features of kangaroos is their method of locomotion. Kangaroos are the only large animals that move by hopping. This mode of travel is highly efficient, allowing them to cover large distances quickly in the vast Australian outback. When kangaroos hop, they can reach speeds of up to 37 miles per hour and leap over 30 feet in a single bound. Kangaroos belong to the family Macropodidae, which literally means big feet. This name is apt, as their large feet, coupled with strong hind legs, are key to their impressive jumping abilities. These adaptations are not just for speed and distance, but also aid in balance and maneuverability. The size of kangaroos can vary significantly depending on the species. The largest is the red kangaroo, with males standing as tall as 6 feet from foot to head and weighing up 200 pounds. On the other end of the scale are smaller species like the musky rat kangaroo, which is only about the size of a rabbit. Kangaroos have a unique reproductive system. Like other marsupials, their young, called joeys, are born extremely underdeveloped and continue to grow in the safety of their mother's pouch. A newborn joey is only about the size of a lima bean. Once in the pouch, it latches onto a nipple and remains there for several months until it is developed enough to venture outside. The kangaroo's pouch, which is a part of the female's reproductive system, is where the joey continues its development after birth. The pouch opens forward towards the mother's head and contains mammary glands which provide milk for the growing joey. The composition of the milk changes as the joey grows, adapting to its nutritional needs. Kangaroos are herbivores, and their diet mainly consists of grasses and leaves. They have chambered stomachs similar to those of cattle and sheep, which allow them to ferment the tough plant material and extract sufficient nutrients. This specialized digestive system makes them efficient grazers. Another interesting aspect of kangaroos is their ability to conserve water. This adaptation is crucial for survival in the arid Australian environment. Kangaroos are known to go for long periods without drinking, getting most of their water from the moisture-rich plants they eat. Kangaroos have excellent hearing and a wide field of vision, thanks to their large, movable ears and the position of their eyes on the sides of their head. These adaptations are crucial for detecting predators and navigating the sometimes harsh landscapes of their habitat. Socially, kangaroos live in groups known as mobs. These groups provide safety in numbers, as individuals can alert each other to danger. The social structure within a mob is quite complex, with dominant males and females and intricate social interactions. Kangaroos have a unique way of regulating their body temperature. They lick their forearms, which have special blood vessels close to the surface. As the saliva evaporates, it cools their blood, which then circulates back to the rest of the body, effectively reducing their overall body temperature. The kangaroo's tail is a remarkable appendage. It is strong and muscular, serving not only as a balance when hopping, but also as a third leg when they are moving slowly. Kangaroos can lean back on their tails to deliver powerful kicks with their hind legs when threatened. Female kangaroos have the remarkable ability to delay the birth of their young if environmental conditions are not favorable. This process, known as embryonic diapause, allows the mother to pause the development of an embryo until conditions improve or her current joey leaves the pouch. Kangaroos are mostly crepuscular and nocturnal, being most active during the cooler hours of dawn and dusk. This behavior helps them conserve energy and avoid the intense heat of the Australian sun during the day. The lifespan of kangaroos in the wild is typically around 6 to 8 years, but they can live up to 20 years in captivity. Predators, such as dingoes and eagles, and human-related threats, such as vehicles and habitat loss, are the main causes of mortality in the wild. Kangaroos play an important role in the ecosystem. Their grazing habits help to maintain the grasslands, spreading seeds and creating habitats for other species. Additionally, Their droppings enrich the soil, contributing to the health of the vegetation. In Aboriginal Australian culture, kangaroos have a significant presence. They are not only a source of food and materials, but also feature prominently in myths, legends, and art. Kangaroos represent a spiritual connection to the land for many Indigenous Australian groups. Kangaroo populations are managed in Australia, with some species being more abundant than others. While certain species are protected, others can be subject to controlled culling or commercial harvesting, primarily due to their impact on agricultural lands or because of their large populations. The kangaroo's ability to hop at high speeds for long distances is also energy efficient. They use a tendon in their legs like a spring, storing energy with each landing and releasing it for the next hop. This energy-efficient mode of travel is crucial for surviving in an environment where food and water can be scarce. Kangaroo fur is usually a shade of brown or gray, providing camouflage in their natural habitat. The thickness and color of their fur can vary depending on the climate of the region they inhabit, with thicker fur in colder regions. If you learned something from this video, please leave a comment below, click the like button, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching!